Hey everyone, okay, so it's time to do an end of the year roundup and we're going to start off with skincare game changes. That was a tongue twister. So it seemed like the only thing to do while talking about skincare is to have nothing on my face while doing it so that you can see what my skin looks like. And the products that I have in front of me are what I consider game changers. Now I will put alternative products in the description bar that are less expensive so that everybody is catered for. So let's make a start. The first one I want to talk about is Dr. Dennis Gross, and this is the Extra Strength Daily Peel. So these come in various shapes and sizes, boxes. They come in, little plastic screw, you know what I mean. So there are lots and lots of options. Now everybody said that once you use these, you will understand. And I did. Very first time I used it, I noticed an absolute improvement the day after. Mind blown. So the extra strength ones are my favorite, but you can also get the universal ones, which are a little bit softer on the skin, or you can get the ultra strength ones, which is this going to focus? There we go. Which is the Alpha Beta Medi Spa Peel. And this is amazing. And I'm going to show you a way to save money on these. Is the FERULIC and retinol acid. These are amazing. Twice a week you need to use that. So, because when you get these, there's way too much product in there, right? And then you've got to chuck it away, and these aren't cheap to begin with. So what I do, so here's one. Here's that really strong one. I open it up, I apply it all over my face. I then put it back in the packet and seal it with sellotape. And I use this 3 times before, because you're using it on completely cleansed skin, so your face is clean. I use this 3 times. So instead of getting 1 single application, I get 3. So I get 3 times the length of products. I do exactly the same thing to all of these as well, including the ferulic acid. Here's one I made earlier. They are phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Okay, so coming in second place, and not second place, but just different, is the Drunk Elephant, and this is the TLC. This is the 12% alpha hydroxy acid with 1 or 2% beta hydroxy. It's amazing, amazing. I used it for 4-5 months straight. It is brilliant, different to the Dr. Dennis Gross one, but amazing, absolutely amazing. So eye creams, the Ordinary do a caffeine one, which is phenomenal. So the link is in there. C Tango for the eye for Drunk Elephant. This will brighten up underneath the eye area. And if you're looking for a really intense one with retinol, Dr. Dennis Gross again, this is amazing. I actually combine this with the Drunk Elephant. That way I use less of each and it lasts longer. Okay, what is next? I've put things all over the place. This is wonderful. Rhodile 30% collagen complex. Just add a couple of drops into your skincare or neat. It is phenomenal. This is a little bottle of genius. It is Aurelia, the probiotic skincare company, and this is the concentrate. Pigmentation, hormonal breakouts, dull skin, irritating skin, ugly skin, anything skin. This bottle is an absolute savior, and I just want to say that the company is so kind and so nice. And their cleanser, which is the Miracle Cleanser, I've already spoke about these. The best cleanser you could ever use. Muslin cloth, wash, rub, skin like you've never ever believed. If you're looking for a really strong peel, you could try the Drunk Elephant, the TLC. This is a 25% alpha hydroxy acid. You can leave this on for 20-30 minutes. Some people leave it on a lot longer. I don't know if that's good or not, but you can. This is lovely. This is the Antioxidant Pore Purifier. Now this is from Paula's Choice. It is silicone free and it is wonderful, 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 wonderful product. Absolutely splendid. Speaking of splendid is the Peptide Boost by Paula's Choice. Again, their bottles are shrinking, people, and I'm not impressed, but it's still ever so good, so I will continue to buy it. This is a wonderful, wonderful retinol product, 10% advanced. Not 10%, 1% advanced. This is by Medicate or Medi8. It's absolutely brilliant. 15% alpha hydroxy acid, game changer for your face or your body. So beware, it's very, very strong. So next we're going to move on to 2 things that are brilliant. First of all is Zip. So Zip is a nano current device and you apply a conductive gel and you go over your face, and it releases nano electricity into the skin, and it will firm and pull, and it is a brilliant device. Really expensive, but once you've got it, you've got it. You don't have to use their serum because their serum is so expensive. You could use another one, it's fine, but don't use facial oils, it won't work. And finally, this is the best thing. Since using it, I haven't had a single issue with my skin at all. So I use this, I do use it twice actually, and I'm going to show you. I know it's horrific. So it is the Dr. Dennis Gross one. All these products, by the way, are mine, I bought them. You pop it on so you look absolutely terrifying. Then you press the button, and that's the red setting, so anti-aging. Then you've got the acne setting. Well, then you've got both. Now, this turns off in 3 minutes. And so what I do is I apply my exfoliants first, then I put that on the acne setting for 3 minutes. Then I apply my treatments and retinols and moisturizers, and then I put it on the anti-aging setting. 6 minutes, that's it. It has been the best thing I've ever used. I am very much considering upgrading to a really, really professional, expensive one, because this has been amazing. Your skin can feel a little bit dry afterwards, but otherwise, it's bloody heaven. It's absolutely bloody heaven. The best thing I bought. Expensive, but once you've got it, and it's there, you know, indefinitely, so to speak. Just marvelous. Absolutely marvelous. Trust me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.